Hey there, MJ here, and nakakaloka in today's video. Yes, familiar ang shape, no? So, you all know that I went to Valencia and my cousin suggested that when we go back na to CDO, maghapit mi aning Miss Big Desserts naara siya diya sa may Aglayan. And yes, nihapit yun me and we just can't get enough laughing because it's such a fun and, exciting way to create a waffle in that shape. Nga, I'm sure familiar ka mo, so we can't get enough with our reaction. So there you go, they have a lot of flavor, but we ordered the BBC and I'm trying it now. Let us open. In fairness, it tastes great. Yes, and make sure you consume it while it's hot. So I've heard that they're coming to CDO. But yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.